Imagine a software system that can detect a problem, fix it automatically, and keep running without human intervention. This is the promise of self-healing software systems. Self-healing software is designed to identify issues like crashes, bugs, or security breaches in real time. Instead of waiting for IT teams to step in, the system diagnoses the problem, applies a solution, and restores normal operations on its own. These systems use artificial intelligence, monitoring tools, and predictive analytics. By constantly scanning logs, performance data, and user activity, they can spot unusual behavior before it turns into a failure. For example, if a server starts overheating, the system can shift workloads automatically to prevent downtime. The advantages are huge: less downtime, reduced maintenance costs, and stronger security. Businesses save time while IT teams can focus on innovation rather than firefighting routine problems. In mission-critical industries like healthcare, finance, and aviation, this reliability is game-changing. Self-healing software systems represent the future of autonomous IT operations, applications that run smarter, safer, and more resilient than ever before. As technology grows more complex, automation like this will be the backbone of digital infrastructure. For more insights into the future of software and AI, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution.